Onyena, onyenae.
Why don't you take off the glasses?
I can see perfectly fine.
Welcome to the word of the day. Today we're going to be taking words from Igbo Jobs and Occupations.
Igbo is one of the official languages spoken in Nigeria.
Jobs and occupations in Igbo is ara. Same word for both. Construction worker is onye oro ihe owowo.
Architect is onyeaeso opo orola.
Engineer is engineer.
Entrepreneur is onyeacho taego.
And those are your words of the day taken from our Igbo Jobs and Occupations picture book.
Dalu, see you guys tomorrow. Peace and love. Bye. 3, 2.
You hear the ambulance?
Living in the city of crime, you gotta wait till the police go before you do your recording.